Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move houses around and also furniture. So let's just go and move some furniture first. I'm just going to enter my house, and for instance I want to move around the furniture a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press F on my keyboard, and it's going to go to this kind of like build mode, and press all. For instance, I want to add in like mirror, for instance. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to put it on the wall, maybe like somewhere else, like here. And then I, for instance, want to add in like another furniture like this wardrobe. I'm just going to put it and move it right here. And to move stuff around, just select what you already have and move it around like so. To move houses, just exit your house first. You need to exit your house first though. Then you're going to press the same exact thing, which is F, and here you can move your house around. You can even move like your own personal house if you want to. I'm just going to press cancel for it though, and you can move other like houses around, but if you don't want to, just press cancel. And you can also move like the benches and also like the lampposts, for instance, if you want to. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!